Good morning, friends. I hope you had a good night and a good day yesterday. My friends, Mrs. Kruger sent me an email, and my heart is full. You did such a great job for her yesterday. I'm so proud of you. Way to be a mighty Mustang, being respectful, responsible, safe. She said you guys helped out. You followed the routines and the rules, and you did such an amazing job. I'm so proud of you. My friends, if you can remember, when I get back to remind Mrs. Ron, we have big Mighty Mustang tickets. Instead of those little ones, you get a big red one, and Mrs. Ron will do a whole class one for being an awesome Mighty Mustang yesterday. As you can tell, I'm not there again today. I'm sorry I'm not able to be there, but I have everything ready for your sub today, and I know you're going to have a great day, and you're going to be that Mighty Mustang and respectful, responsible, and safe for your sub today as well. So today, my friends, you are going to be listening to the story, David Goes to School. Now, David kind of doesn't know how to be a Mighty Mustang. As you listen, see if you can kind of pick out why he doesn't know how to be a Mighty Mustang, and maybe you can think of ways he could have been a Mighty Mustang. Maybe you could share with the sub some ideas of how you guys have been Mighty Mustangs and what you do to be a Mighty Mustang, being respectful, responsible, and safe. Then we're going to do ABC Boot Camp. You're going to do that, and today you're going to learn the sound and you write that sound with the letter H. H. It's doot, 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 wee. Uppercase and lowercase. H. It says and then, my friends, you are going to do your ABC book, and today you're going to make a hippo in that book. When you are finished with that, it'll be time for you to go up to the lunchroom like you did the other day when Mrs. Ron was there, and you did some testing with some other people in the lunchroom. So you're going to have that testing today, and today it is about numbers, about math. So you're going to count and tell them some numbers. And if you're not in the cafeteria, you're going to be in the hallway, so you will need your headphones, and the iPad should already be up there that you can use, and the sub will give those to you, and you're going to do reading eggs again. Remember, it is your first name and then 3 R's for Mrs. Ron, right? I like 3 R's. And your password is 1234, and the sub can always help you if you need help. You'll do that, and once you're done with testing, it'll be time for recess and lunch. And after recess and lunch, you'll have quiet time, and then it'll be math. And today you're learning the number 7. 7 is your number. And you're going to do your number art book today for 7, and you're going to be using bingo dabbers. Now, my friends, if you push down too much, the paint soaks through and it can get on the other page, so don't push too hard. And then I did suggest either putting a paper towel in between or turning the paper so just the paper is on the table, so that it doesn't go onto your paper and wreck the number 8 you're going to learn the next day. Then you're going to go to Phi Ed and music, and remember, for Phi Ed you need to bring your water bottle with, and then we also have to have the number chart for those friends who don't have a water bottle, so they have a place for their mask to put their masks in. And then when you come back for music, it'll be writing time, and you are going to be learning the rainbow curve, and after the rainbow curve, we're going to practice that for a couple of days, and then you're going to learn the very last stroke, C stroke. But today is the rainbow curve. And then, my friends, of course, it'll be snack and free choice, and then your day will be over. And I know you're going to have a fun and fantastic day. I wish I could be there with you, and I hope to be back soon. So have a fantastic day, and be awesome, Mighty Mustangs. Be respectful, responsible, and safe. Bye, my friends.